CachyOS August 2026 ISO is here. Here is what's new and why it matters. Hey everyone, if you follow performance focused Linux distros, you already know CachyOS. It's the Arch based system that prioritizes speed, modern hardware support, and a clean, up to date experience right out of the box. On August 9th, 2026, the team released their August ISO snapshot, the fifth major update of the year, and it brings a solid set of refinements across the installer, desktop options, system tools, and package management. This isn't a flashy overhaul with brand new desktops or a new kernel series. It's the kind of practical, quality of life release that makes the everyday experience smoother for both new installs and existing users. So now, what's shipping in the ISO? The live environment still runs on the Linux 6.18 LTS kernel series. The default desktop is the latest KDE Plasma 6.7.4, paired with KDE Frameworks 6.28 and KDE Gear 26.04.3, all built against Qt 6.11.1. You also get the usual wide selection of other desktop environments and compositors during installation. So now, let's move on to the installer and desktop profile improvements. Several desktop specific tweaks landed in the installer. The CachyOS Hyperland Noctalia option now uses Noctalia Greeter instead of SDDM. Cinnamon switches to LightDM Sleek Greeter, replacing the older LightDM GTK Greeter. GNOME gains GVFS DN SSD for better network discovery support. Cosmic gets Cosmic Monitor added. The command line installer received fixes, refactoring, and experimental support for upcoming server edition installation profiles. This points towards broader use cases beyond the traditional desktop and handheld focus. Now, about the system tools and utilities. CachyOS Welcome received a DNS handling rework. So, its speed test based server, ranking now correctly, selects the fastest DNS server. CHWD, the hardware detection and configuration tool, improves handheld detection through better board name matching, handles virtual machines more gracefully, quotes Pacman arguments properly, and adds Bulgarian localization. The kernel manager backend was rewritten in Rust and integrated directly into CHWD kernel. Cache update has been rebased on Arch Update 4.x. Its system tray applet is now written in Rust. New options make automated update checks easier to enable. The tray supports configurable pagination, and the default check interval is set to 6 hours. Now, Shelly 3.0, the big package manager update. The default graphical package manager is now Shelly 3.0. This is a full rewrite from C.NET to Zig. The result is native binaries with lower memory use and faster startup times. The desktop app gains a first run welcome screen, list and grid package views, AUR package build previews with build output, and a utilities page for database sync, cache cleanup, and orphan removal. The CLI was also rebuilt with integrated repository and AUR search, combined update checks across repositories, AUR, app images, and flatpaks, plus 2ML based backup import or export. Flatpak support is available as an optional backend package. Now, let's move on to desktop and settings polish. On the desktop side, The team added new Noctalia variant for Mango and Niri, brought Noctalia v5 support to the Hyperland files, and updated the Nord KDE theme for Plasma 6.7. In CachyOS settings, nice value tuning was added to limits.d, helpful as pipewire related fix. CachyOS rate mirrors now uses the CachyOS mirror list API for more accurate ranking of mirrors, and a new tier 2 mirror in Hungary was added. The gaming with CachyOS wiki guide was significantly updated. Older launch options that are no longer needed with the latest Proton CachyOS SIR have been removed. They remain available in the GitHub documentation if you still need them. For existing users and downloads, if you already run CachyOS, no special steps are required. Just update as usual with sudo pacman-syu or through your graphical package manager. Now with Shelly, everything carries over cleanly. Fresh ISOs are available for both desktop and handheld editions from the official mirrors and SourceForge. Always verify the checksums and signatures before writing the image. Now, the bottom line. The August 2026 snapshot focuses on polish, better greeters and desktop profiles, a much more efficient native package manager, improved update tooling and hardware detection, especially for handhelds, smarter mirror ranking, and cleaner system defaults. It's the kind of steady, thoughtful progress that keeps CachyOS feeling modern and responsive without forcing users to relearn the system. If you are looking for a fast, rolling arch experience with strong performance tuning and good out of the box support for gaming and modern desktops, this release is worth checking out. Download links and full release notes are on the official CachyOS website. So that's the rundown. If you already updated or tried the new ISO, drop a comment with your experience, especially if you're on handheld or using one of the newer Noctalia setups. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.